Hey guys, welcome to Joko Outdoors. I'm Brian, and today we're going to be doing barbecue chicken wings on the Expert Pellet Grill Commodore. So we're gonna heat the pellet grill up to 350 degrees. Cook time's going to take about 45 minutes. Cook time to do that. I'm going to put some gloves on real quick, and then we're going to get into coating all this. I'll tell you what I'm going to coat it with and everything. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way every time we post up a video, you get notified that it's there. Leave a comment below and then share our videos. We do appreciate you guys tuning in here. So that being said, let's get to getting all this cooked, coated, get it on the grill and see what the outcome is. We got a lot of chicken wings. This is just one bucket right now. My wife Savannah's inside cutting up the rest of them. She's actually bringing them out right now, and we're gonna put this coating on. It's got my little gloves. They're just Rexall nitrile exam gloves. I mean, they're nitrile gloves. That's what they are. I couldn't find the black cooking gloves, so if you guys know where to get those black cooking gloves from, or the black gloves that you see everybody wearing, post a comment below so I know where to get them from. All right, we've got our extra virgin olive oil right here, and what this is going to do, we're going to coat these. We've kind of dried the chicken wings, damp them with some paper towels to get them a little dry, and then we're going to coat these with the extra virgin olive oil. It's going to do two things. One, it's going to make the skin cook a little bit easier, make it a little bit crispy, and then two, it's going to help the seasoning stick. Now, we're going to do two different types of seasoning. We'll get to that in just a second, so keep watching, all right? I'm really excited about this. I love cooking chicken wings, and you can bring it on over. All right, so we're going to pour a little bit of this in here. I don't want to do a whole lot. We just need enough to coat everything. My wife Savannah right here, so I wouldn't be anywhere without her. God placed her in my life for a reason, and I would not be anywhere without her. All right, so we're just going to pour these in a bowl. I might go through a couple of sets of gloves. Matter of fact, Savannah, can you come over here and pour? I'm not going to go through two sets of gloves. She wants to be in the video, so I'm going to get her to help me do this. Come on. That was a piece of cartilage that was hanging off. All right, can you get that oil and pour some of it inside that? I don't know that you'll need gloves because you're not going to be mixing it up like I am. Yeah, that's good. That's all right. It's kind of a small bowl right here. That's all right. That's all we have. We're just good old country folks, We love cooking during barbecue season when it's nice and warm outside. Love cooking on the grill. My favorite thing to do is cook for my family. One of my favorite things, is probably my favorite thing to do at home, is cook for my family. All right, now we're gonna hold this up right here. Savannah, I'm actually gonna ask you that Savannah walks it up there to the camera. Can you show them the two seasonings? First seasoning we're gonna do is American jerk. We're gonna do like a jerk
Jamaican
chicken.
jerk, actually.
Does that say Jamaican or American?
It says Jamaican jerk. You can get it at Walmart.
Oh, it says Jamaican jerk. My bad. See, I told you I wouldn't be the same without her. The second one's gonna be kicking chicken. They're both Weber seasonings, but the second one's gonna be kicking chicken. So we're gonna do one coating in kicking chicken, the other coating in the American jerk. I'm gonna have Savannah come around over here, and she's gonna just season these up. I'm gonna mix them up, and then we're gonna get them on the grill. So we're gonna take this.
We'll take our Jamaican jerk first.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Jamaican jerk. We're gonna put it in this bowl right here. She's just gonna a little bit more, because I gotta mix it up. Hold on. Still probably gonna need some. All right, coat it some more. So we want to get this seasoning all over. The oil seems to wash it off a little bit when you get it down in there. But I think that's gonna be good because we're gonna coat this in barbecue sauce and hot sauce too. Probably do the Jamaican jerk in the hot sauce. All right, now we're gonna do the kicking chicken next. I don't know if I've opened this. Yeah, I've opened it up, so we're gonna slide this over. We're gonna coat this. All right, let's mix it up. We're gonna coat it one more time. Then we're gonna get these things thrown on the grill. Now, if you guys haven't tried this Weber seasoning before, go out to the grocery store and try it. I love it. They have some really good seasonings, and shop around for them. Walmart tends to carry a little bit different types of their seasonings than what your, like our Food Lion up here would, or maybe what your Kroger, or something like that would. All right. So now we're gonna get these on the grill. All right, we're gonna get you up here just a little bit closer to see them going on the grill. I think, yep, we're right at 350 degrees. So that was great timing right there. So we're gonna get these on the grill. All right, so we're gonna throw these on. Throw these back here. Got my extra long tongs. As soon as we get these on the grill, we're gonna jump back on here, show you what it looks like, and then we'll come check it in an hour. So we'll see you right here in just a minute, as soon as we get all these loaded on. All right, guys. So we've got the chicken on here. We're gonna take a look at it real quick, then we're gonna shut the lid. We're gonna let it cook probably about an hour. I'm gonna come back out and check it in about 30 minutes and see where it's at. Probably flip all of them, but these things should be done in about an hour cooking at 350 degrees. So let me show you what it looks like on the grill. This thing's holding a lot of chicken. All right, so we've got this. Here's Savannah, my lovely wife. We got this stuff cooking. We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna come back and check it in about 30 minutes, flip them all, and then in about an hour, they should be done. So we will see you guys in about an hour to see what they look like, and then we're gonna throw some sauce on it, barbecue sauce and hot sauce, and we're gonna chow down on some good chicken today. See you guys in an hour. All right, so the chicken wings have actually been on for probably more so like an hour and 15 minutes. The temperature dropped pretty significant because I had so many wings I had to put on here, so it took a minute to get back up to temperature. But these things are done now. Let's take a look at what they look like now that they're done. These things look so awesome, man. We're gonna take these off, get inside, and we're gonna soak them down with some sauce, whether it be hot sauce or barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna give a taste test, and man, these things just look so delicious. So let's get inside and see what this stuff tastes like, man. I'm so excited about this. All right, we'll see you soon. All right, guys, so we have wonderful looking chicken right here. We showed you guys out on the grill. This side right here is our kicking chicken. This side right here is our Jamaican jerk. We've got our barbecue sauces right here. My favorite up here in North Carolina, the Redneck Barbecue Labs, and then of course, Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. This is, buffalo sauce. I think this is the best buffalo sauce you're gonna buy, but you better make sure you have a hot tongue, because this, compared to some of the others like Moore's or your generic value brand, this stuff right here set you on fire if you ain't got a hot tongue.
Yeah, it's got some heat to it. So, and then on top of that, if you really want to go super duper awesome and you want a bottle, let me know, because I got some wing sauce that I made out of Tabasco peppers this past season.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We would have used that today.
So that one you just mix. It's kind of like what you would do at Texas Pete. You just mix a little sauce with some butter, put it on the wings, and then prepare yourself for a rocket. So,
well,
I'm gonna tell you, this is probably my favorite meal to eat is chicken wings. I'm a chicken wing freak. I guess is what is the easiest way to say it. So me and my wife have been talking about getting chicken wings. We actually went a couple weeks ago and got some, and it was quite disappointing actually. But I'm not going to name companies because that wouldn't be fair to the company. But at any rate, let's see what these guys got going on here.
And look, the reason I haven't coated these with the barbecue sauce or the hot sauce or anything like that is because some people like this barbecue sauce over this one or vice versa. So what I do is I just let them put it on their plate or in a bowl and put whatever sauce they want to on there. That's what I'm going to let Ken do with his, but I'm going to let him be the taste tester.
What I'm going to do is I'm always, if you marinate something or you season something in a particular seasoning, before you go dumping a bunch of sauce on it, try the meat first because it may be exactly what you're looking for.
Yep.
So let me get one of these wings here.
Yep. I'm going to get this little one right
see
here.
What's going on here.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Got some good flavor.
Yep.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that right there.
Perfectly cooked. That's got a small amount of spice to it. Small amount. So this one would definitely
kicking chicken.
This one would definitely need some sauce to it for that one. Right, and this one's supposed to be Jamaican jerk. So that's one thing I have actually had is actual authentic Jamaican cooking. And you can see that there are some seasonings on here, unlike this one over here. This one kind of looks almost like it was just wings, but this one here got some good coating on it. So we'll give this one a try. This is the Jamaican jerk. Not bad.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, perfectly cooked. Not even any red at all.
Yep. Yep. Look at that. That's awesome. So good. I love chicken wings.
Can I try one?
Got the peanut gallery over there.
We get one.
Man,
That's a kicking chicken.
really good.
It's squishy.
Don't put it back.
Really good. Well, once again, you have hit the mark.
Yep. We love chicken wings almost as much as we love God. So one of our favorite meals, especially as a big family, we do cook a lot of chicken wings because look, there's 6 of us eating today, and I promise you, with the 6 of us eating, there's probably not going to be any chicken wings left. And I've probably got 4 pounds of wings here, at least 4 pounds of wings. Might be a little bit more. But again, we thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in with us. Thank you for being patient with us. We thank you guys. We love you guys. And remember, this is God's country.